Hello everyone. Again, welcome back to the course Learning Mathematics and Statistics using the softwares. Now you have a very natural question. If I'm saying that using softwares, then why this person using pen and paper again and again? So in the first lecture which already uploaded, I guess you learn that lecture and you understand what is the extreme values of the function, means how the function can have their maximum and minimum values. So today we are solving the question on the same point by manually by using pen and paper. Here I'm using pen tab and the word nothing but words. But problem is using softwares, how we are going to solve this question? That is a very big question, but a very problem we have. But we need to understand first how we're going to solve manually. Okay. So here Professor Abhijit, today we are starting with how we are going to solve this function. This is a equation. This is function 2x cube minus 15x square plus 36x plus 5. And we are going to find its extreme values. Extreme values means what? You need to find the minimum and maximum value. Okay, you need to find minimum and maximum value. So very first step, as we already discussed in the last lecture, that step one is what? Step one is we need to find f dash of x. F dash of x means what? We need to find the first order derivative. So what is f of x is given to us? F of x is 2x cube minus 15x square plus 36 of x plus 5. Now I need to find f dash of x. F dash of x means first order derivative. So it technically becomes 6x square minus 30x plus 36, and the derivative of constant is 0. That is our the very first step. Second step, we already discussed that we need to put f dash of x is equal to 0. Means the f dash of x, which we find that 6x square minus 30 times of x plus 36, which is equal to 0. Now what should be our next step? So we can take 6 as the common element from the above equation. So we will get x square minus 6 5 is 30. So 5 plus 6 is 36 is equal to 0. Now number cannot be 0. Then this bracket must has to be equal to 0. Then x square minus 5 times of x plus 6 is equal to 0. So this is look like a quadratic equation, and in the quadratic equation we need to find a two separate parts. So let's go with the very step by step. That means this 6 you need to divide into two parts, which either their addition or subtraction must be 5 and multiplication is 2. So technically 3 2s are 6. The negative sign is to the bigger number and it's also a negative. Then minus minus become plus, 3 to the 6, and minus 3 minus 2 becomes minus 5. So again step by steps, x square minus 3 times of x minus 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. Then we can take x common from this, then we will have x minus 3, and if I am taking minus 2 common in this part, then we have x minus 3, not a 6, it can be 3 is equal to 0. Now in this factorization, finally we are getting x minus 3 and x minus 2 is equal to 0. That means our final answer is nothing but x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 2. This is our final answer. That are the possible extreme point. These are what? These are the possible extreme points which I need to mention. So using softwares, we don't have to do this much. Till this point, we are getting with the solutions. So these are the possible extreme extreme points. So on this possible extreme points only we will get our possible values, either maximum or minimum. For checking it, let's go with the step number 3. We are done with the two step only right now. For step number 3, what we have to do, we need to again find f double dash of x. As we already learned in last lecture, Then what are the steps? F double dash of x means we need to find the derivative. For that, what is f dash of x? F dash of x is nothing but 6 of x square minus 30 of x plus 36. And now I need to find f double dash of x. Then f double dash of x is 12x minus 30. So this is f double dash of x. Now step number 4 will be, we are going to check step number 4. I hope you are clear with this. First step is finding f dash. Then put f double dash is equal, f dash is equal to 0. We are getting two extreme points. And then I am finding f double dash. Now the fourth step is check f double dash of x at, means we need to put the values. Check f double dash of x at both the extreme points. X is equal to 3 as well as x is equal to 2. Now how we are going to check this? Let me change the slide also. So what is the value of f double dash of x we are getting? F double dash of x is 12x minus 30. Now just simply we need to substitute. So first point, when x is equal to 3. So I need to substitute f double dash of 3 is equal to 12 into 3 minus 30. So which is equal to 36 minus 30, which is equal to 6. So 6 is greater than 0. As we already say, it is greater than 0. So therefore, as we already discussed, if it is positive, if x is equal to 3 is positive, so is the point of minimum, is the point of minimum. And second, we are calculating when x is equal to 2. When x is equal to 2. So that time f double dash of 2 is equal to 12 into 2 minus 30. So it is equal to 24 minus 30, which is equal to minus 6, which is less than 0, means negative. Therefore, for x is equal to 2, the function is the point of maximum. Point of maximum. Now you have a very but obvious question, sir. If this is positive, correct? If this is positive, then why the function is minimum over here? And if this is negative, then why the function is maximum? So try to understand the points that negative or positive for f double dash. We are talking about whole function. Now for finding the exact value of maximum or minimum, what we have to do? So for, if I am going for a minimum, so what we have to do, I will put x is equal to 3 in f dash. What I'm talking about, I'm talking about f dash. Now what is f dash? F dash is nothing but 2x cube minus 15x square plus 36x plus 5, and I need to put 3 in this. So 2 into 3 cube minus 15 into 3 square plus 36 into 3 plus 5. If you calculating all this, you will get the answer as 32. If I am putting x is equal to 3, if I am putting what? X is equal to 3, I am getting the value of function as 32. Now you have a question. Let me erase this maximum, minimum. You will decide when you get the answer. Now I am putting, put x is equal to 2 in f. I am not talking about f dash and f double dash. Now I am talking about f. So again, 2x cube minus 15x square plus 36x plus 5. Now if I am substituting 2 cube minus 15 into 2 square plus 36 into 2 plus 5, and I am getting the answer as 33. Cross check it. You can solve it and you will get this. Now you will get the point. Now what you do, you will get the point. So when I put x is equal to 3, I get the value is 32, and when I put x is equal to 3, I get the value of 33. So by default, this is for this point function is maximum. This point function is max, and for this point, let me highlight again. Function is minimum. Function is what? Minimum. Okay. So how we decided this? By substituting the values in f, we are getting two different ones. So this we are solving manually. That how can we in the exam we can solve this question if there is no softwares. Now this is in 21st century and softwares are highly using in each and every field. So by using software in the next lecture, we will learn the thing by using the software. Still that point, stay connected, do whatever the assignment is provided to you, and try to learn the concept in both the ways, manually as well as using the softwares. Thank you for the lecture.